What is going on, everybody? Tyson here, and a long time ago it seems like a long time ago. I did a video in Premiere Pro showing you the differences between a 5700 XT export and a 6800 XT, and I told you, like, I got a 3080 on order. Well, the time has come that I did not get my 3080, but instead I had an opportunity to get a 3090. So I got a 3090. And I got to put in. So I want to show you guys the results that I got from the 3090. Now, if you remember, right, when I did the 5700 XT, I compared it to the 68, and I got an 882 on the 5700 XT, right? When we go over to the 6800 XT, I have a 921. So we jumped up 40 points, roughly. So you're talking a CPU that I had versus a $900 or $1,000 CPU with shipping and all that good stuff to jump up 40 points. Overall score, yeah, there's little things here and there that are different. But then you jump up, you know, I got my 3900 for 3090. I got my 3090 for $1,600. So I paid another $600 basically. And I jumped up to 1239. So 300 points basically. Computer's the same. Premiere Pro updated to Premiere Pro 15, so that might have helped a little bit. I don't know, but right now running the 3090 on everything the same project. I'm using the Puget Bench test system, and you know, it's just a little program you download and it runs through its things and gives you this result. And so, you know, it's kind of like value to you, value for the money that you're doing. And, you know, when I look at it as paying $1,000 to jump up 40 points, well, then, you know, I jumped up 300 points to spend $600 more. The value per dollar was a lot higher to go up to a 3090. Now, I don't game. What's important to me is video editing, export time. So for me, time is money. I really appreciate this 3090. I'm really happy with it. Now, I've just installed it today, ran this test. That's the only thing I've done. So I haven't really even had a bunch of time to like mess around with it, check out live playback or anything like that, or how fast it renders effects. It's just this, you know, this bench that you can do. And so I'm just comparing apples to apples, score to score. And that's what I got with the 3090. So you be the judge. Comment down below. Do you think it's, you know, is the value worth it for you? For me, the value is worth it. You know, $1,000 to $600. $1,000, you jumped up 40 points. An extra $600 on top of that, you jumped up another 300 points. So when you break that down to score per dollar, you know, it makes a lot more sense this way. But I'm not here, you know, I'm usually an AMD guy, and I went to a 3090, so this is like a different world for me. But I had to try it out because I wanted to see what happens when you do this type of thing, and what the best system I can build for video editing in Premiere Pro can be. And, you know, let's not start a war on Premiere Pro versus DaVinci Resolve versus iMovie versus Final Cut. You know, this is the system I have. This is what I like. This is my personal preference. I will be using an M1 MacBook soon, so just to play around with and see how that goes. So then we can do some results then too. Maybe I'll just switch over to the M1. I don't know. I doubt it. I mean, I got Threadripper in here. And the 3090. So I'm happy. I'm really happy with my system. I've spent a lot of money, and it's pretty awesome. So I love it. I hope you guys like it too. So I am Tyson Wald. This is the channel about YouTube, content creation, computers, tech. I got a live stream coming up pretty soon where we're going to build a computer. So give me a thumbs up for that, and make sure you pay attention and subscribe, because we're going to be doing a live computer build, start to finish. And I think it's going to be super awesome. So until I talk to you guys again soon, be good to each other, stay safe out there, and I'll catch you later.